In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can recover recently deleted photos on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Maybe you deleted some old photos by mistake or simply changed your mind. Here's how you can get them back. Begin by opening up the Photos app and tap Select up in the top right. I'm going to choose a few pictures to go ahead and delete, and then I'm going to tap the trash icon in the bottom right to just delete a few of them. As you can see, those photos are now removed. To recover them, you're going to want to scroll down on this page until you find the Utilities section, and what you're going to look for is actually the Recently Deleted option. Go ahead and click on it just like so, verify with your Face ID, and from here you're going to see all of your recently deleted pictures. You're going to want to find the picture that you would like to go ahead and restore, click on it, and then hit the three dots up in the top right and select Recover. Keep in mind, deleted photos are going to stay in this section for up to 30 days, after which they are permanently deleted. So make sure you're acting quickly if you need them back. But once you hit Recover, those photos are going to return to your library and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe.